Hey guys, Tech Made Easy. Stay tuned. I have the Ego dual port charger, and I've got to show you this. It's actually pretty cool. As you can see, I already have the fast charger and the standard charger. So stay tuned, and we'll go ahead and take a look at it. I'm also going to do a comparison on all three of them so you can actually see how this fits, not only being a dual, but what features it has. All right, guys, well, we're back. And I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing on this baby. Look at this, huh? Got my hands on one of these. 2 times 280 watt dual charger, man. So I'm going to unbox this. But again, I'm going to show you some features. I'm going to do a little comparison versus the other guys, okay? I'll also go over the gauges. If it's red or it's flashing red or whatnot. So I'm going to go over all that stuff so you see what that means. So this could be a very helpful video, I always hope. This guy has a 3-year warranty, by the way, and it sells for around $169 from what I've seen so far. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this guy. And brand new. By the way, I do want to let you know that Ego sent me this so I could review it with you guys. So I'm very happy to be able to get products from them from time to time, not always. And I will tell you, they will never influence my reviews. So as I go over this with you, I will always give you my own opinion. I will always continue to be detailed, as you know my channel to be. I appreciate that. It's not easy, guys, spending the money all the time. But here we go. So let's take a look. We've got the booklet in the box. Okay, it's always helpful that they give us the booklet. So we'll put that aside. And let's take a peek at this guy here. All right, so here it goes. You've got obviously one side here, and you've got your lights as well. All right, so I believe one is red, one is green on this side, and you get another set on the other side here as well. Okay, so you get dedicated lights for each side. Obviously, you're going to have your fans to cool the charger and the battery. Something I learned by doing some research. I didn't realize that the fan also cools the charger. So that's really good. In comparison, as you can see, to the good old fast charger, they're about the same size. Got some nice handles here. Okay. Because these guys are open, they can support any battery. You get a cord. Looks like a regular standard cord. I don't know if this is 6 foot. I'll find out. I'll put this in the video. All right. Power Plus on both sides. And the bottom is where you have your serial number and your information. So when you get your products, always make sure you register your products. It really is very simple to do. And, basically you don't have to worry when you call them that your product's not registered. And, I found so far... 10 out of 10 times when I call Ego, I really don't have any issues. I get help. Now, obviously this guy here's got the fuel gauge on here with 4 bars. You're not getting that on this here, but you are on your batteries. So hopefully you have a newer battery, right, with the T. So when you get your batteries, make sure you get a T model, and you'll get the fuel gauge. Versus the old-fashioned battery with just the button that you press and it is either red or green. So this is great because it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So you really know where your battery's at before you head out to mow your lawn or do some work. So Brooklyn's hanging out with me here. She is just chilling, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up the comparison. I'm also going to bring up some features and some things. I want to go over what these lights mean, okay? So stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so I decided I want to plug this in and kind of just show you what it looks like while it's running as well. If you don't have one of these, it's probably one of the things you're thinking, right? Should I get one? Is it worth it? So let me plug this in. The lights just turned red and green on, so that just shows the unit works. I don't know where these batteries are, so we're going to find out. I think they're mostly fully charged. But let's take this guy, put it on one side, And it is fully charged because it immediately checked it and went to green, solid green. So that's a fully charged battery. All right, let me check this guy. All right. So this one needs a little charge. So it's again, it could be checking too, because the previous style batteries, it does check. So it is flashing red and green and yellow. And this is flashing green, which means it's charging. So let's take another battery and just kind of see. Let me see if this guy needs a little charge. All right. All right, so this one went to green immediately, which means that this battery is also charged, okay? But yeah, I mean, you can charge one battery, you can charge two. It's up to you, but look at that beast, huh? Again, you're going to be surprised with some of the information I provide with the previous chargers as well, the current chargers, I should say. So the fast charger and the standard charger, you're going to need to check this out. I was very surprised, but I guess it is what it is. Sometimes we assume things, right, Brooklyn? She assumes she's getting a treat because she's always good. But we assume things sometimes, and I did. So when I did the research, I was a little surprised. So you want to know, and I've got the information for you. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so what I want to do now is go into the charger comparison. I think this will be helpful. So as you can see here, we've got all three models. The new guy is the CH2800D. It goes for $169. The one thing I was surprised about, honestly, was it's not a fast charger. As you could see by the wattage, the middle guy, the CH5500, is 550 watts. And that thing charges a 7.5 amp hour battery in 60 minutes. This new guy is 2 times 280 watts, and it takes 135 minutes to charge that same battery. Obviously, the standard charger is 210 watts, and it takes 145 minutes to charge the 7.5 amp hour battery. They all have cooling fans, which is great, and they all have a 3-year warranty. All right, so that's some good news there. Okay, guys, so, this just a little bit more information. This is on charger LED functions. So this page specifically is just around charging. As you can see, it has a left side and a right side for dual port charging. So you got red and green on both sides. So it's just saying that if the green is flashing and the red is off, it's charging. On the next section, it says if the red is off and the green is shining, it means it's charged complete. Okay, so you're good there. Okay, this next section is probably more interesting. If you have a problem with your battery or your charger, it's always good to know what these lights mean. So again, let's look at the left side, okay? Because again, we're not going to go over left and right. It's the same thing. So on the left side, if your red is flashing and your green is off, it basically means the battery pack or charger is defective. Now, obviously, to test the charger, you'd have to put another battery on. And then if all of a sudden it starts charging that battery, then, basically the other battery was bad and the charger was fine. Going down to the bottom, this simply means that if red is shining solid and the green is off, it's telling you that your battery is either too cold or too hot. Folks, leave your batteries indoors when you're not using them. Don't put them in extreme cold or extreme hot situations. When you're using it, it's different. But when you're not, and you leave it in the shed in the wintertime or the summertime, that's the worst thing you can do. All right? I hope this information was helpful. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And check out Brooklyn. She's wagging her tail for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. You'll get notified of new videos and you'll join the family. Also, contact us or follow us on Instagram or Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.